afternoon, wonderful people. My name is Kirk and you're tuned into Kirk Mills PV Real Estate and Lifestyle, where I help Canadians and Americans buy, sell, and live better in Puerto Vallarta. Today, we're in the wonderful neighborhood of Cinco de Diciembre. We're going to take a property tour at 401 KALM. This is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath condo, which measures 82 square meters, which is roughly 883 square feet. The asking price is $398,000 USD. Standing here on the rooftop, it's absolutely gorgeous. I got a nice breeze, so this is perfect time to let you know about this unit. It is super cute. It's well decorated. This is perfect for anybody who wants to spend their season here, whether it be full-time, part-time, or if they are interested in investments purposes where they'd like to rent it out. This is absolutely ideal. It's a boutique condo. There's only 8 units, 1 unit per floor. So that means you don't have neighbors. You won't be disrupted by anybody. And also you have ocean views, super close to pretty much everything that you need in town. Very walkable. There's fantastic restaurants. So without further ado, let's get into the video so you can see it for yourself. All right, so today we decided to take the stairs. So to the 5th floor, this is condo G. One thing I've noticed right away, it has a smart lock, so it makes it very easy to get access. Whether you decide to do short-term rentals, you don't have to worry about giving out keys. Now, take a look at this. Absolutely very nice. It's gorgeous. Hardwood furniture. Okay, let's start with the secondary bedroom. Maybe the guest bedroom. Right away, greeted with very large king-size bed. And they even have a little nook, little workstation. I'm just gonna orient myself so you can get a better feel for the room. But everything's nicely decorated. It does have an AC in here. You got a 55-inch flat screen TV, ceiling fan, so it's very comfortable. And I like how they furnish everything. One thing that you'll notice throughout this condo, there is a lot of pictures, a lot of art. They must be art buffs, but they've done a really good job in putting their own touch and feel for it. It actually feels really nice. Now, this bedroom does have an ensuite bathroom and here's your closet space. You got over here, they've used it for storage for their beachwear, but very large shower overhead. Our top there. Okay, let's back up. All right, so here's your living room, your dining area, very nice table set. This is locally sourced wood. It's called Perota. This is a very hardwood that is resistant to termites, so that's a added bonus. You got a little island here with your stovetop, gas and oven. Also comes with a dishwasher, which is a definite plus here in Puerto Vallarta. That's not something that's very common, but they've added that. You'll sink. So, and you got your refrigerator. So everything is done really nicely. It's all set up, turnkey. It comes fully furnished, everything you see. We'll take a look at the balcony shortly, but it goes the full length of the condo. But what we'll do, this is also the half bath as well. Notice the artwork all throughout, mirrors. They've put, you can tell a lot of effort was put in designing this space. All right, now over here is a storage room slash area for your washer and dryer, the stackable. And onto the primary. So right away, you can see you have views towards the ocean. Now, the good thing is these views are pretty much going to be as such because all the buildings that you see have already been developed. They're newer, so there's not like there's any possibility for any additional larger buildings, and plus there are height restrictions. So this is essentially the view that you're gonna have. All right, so let's take a look. Another king size bed and ensuite, but does have pocket doors. Very nice feature. Let me close it so you see what that looks like. With it closed, and then to your ensuite. All right, I think there we go. Figured it out. All right, so your ensuite, you got your closet area on both sides, and what's additional plus is that you do have tub. That's something that's very common. Now you might be wondering why there is appliances inside the shower, but the owners are currently away, so they have a dehumidifier which removes the moisture, so it's keeping it fresh. Okay, so you have your shower, you also have a tub. All right, now let's head towards the terrace. Let's take a look at that. All right, stepping outside, as I mentioned, you have a long terrace that spans the full length of the condo. So lots of seating areas. They've added small patches of tarp, and they have their plants arrangements. But from here, you have direct views towards the ocean, facing west. Okay, so at this point, let's go to the rooftop so we can see the views from there as well as the pool. All right, as we exit the elevator, we're approaching the rooftop. Another beautiful day here in PB. It's absolutely gorgeous. All right, so right here to my left, let me back up so you can see. There are both men and women bathrooms. You got a seated area. But again, this is what you are here for. The views, absolutely stunning. You got South Shore views and all the way up to the North Shore. From here, you can even see the stadium, which is a municipal park where they have a full-size track. There are 4 basketball courts. There's also an outdoor gym. There's a skate park, even pickleball. So anything that for those that are active and want to take advantage of being in the neighborhood, that's a super close walk. It's only about 5 minutes away. Directly in front of us, if you head straight down the street, Honduras, you'll get to the beach. It's only 4 blocks away. So just behind me, let me just orient myself so you can see. But there's also a barbecue area where you can barbecue and take in the views. Now that concludes our tour today here at KALM 401. As a quick recap, this is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath condo which measures 82 square meters, which is roughly 883 square feet. The asking price is $398,000. And as you saw, this is an absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous unit. It won't stay on the market too long. It's in the right location. You got great views from the primary bedroom on the rooftop. It's very nice and quaint. You got a dipping pool that's directly facing the ocean, and you're in walking distance to pretty much everything that you would want. The lifestyle that many people have dreamed of having here in Puerto Vallarta. So if this is something you'd like to see in person or virtually, contact me today. Details on screen. And until my next video, thank you for watching Kirk Knows PV Real Estate and Lifestyle. I'll see you soon.